So guys, if you are looking for a landscape contractor who can maintain and upkeep your facility as a common area for a community living, you should look at an agency whose roots are deeply embedded in soil. Landscape is not just about maintenance, it's all about a deep understanding about nature, the pest, the plants management, and there is enough and more story to tell your kids, to take them on a walk every week or every fortnight with elderly people, to make them aware of the landscape garden they have, which is the new pest we are cited in the landscape garden. How does that help the ecosystem? If this is the approach you have for your landscape garden, I'm sure we can work together. End of the day, it's a community. There are so good people. If you are accompanied with the right landscape contractor, it will blossom with happiness. I look forward to meet you, walk you in your community landscape, and bring a thoughtful and a meaningful maintenance service for you. My name is Pradeep Kuppaswamy. I'm a landscape architect and a plant enthusiast. Please connect with me if you have a requirement for landscape maintenance service at your community. See you guys.